India, the world's emerging digital destination. Presently in India, 75% of the data which is generated is mandated by regulatory guidelines to be stored in-country, with significant investments made by several leading businesses for the local data repository known as data centers. We at CIS India have recognized India's true potential in this global digital infrastructure revolution and are uniquely positioned to help build these data centers with our power distribution systems. The world-class integrated assembly and manufacturing facility in Bangalore produces state-of-the-art intelligent power distribution units that regulate power that fuel these data centers.
We're very proud of starting our Indian operation back in July of 2019. In fact, even though we're new in India, CIS Global has a long, successful history of over 65 years and over 2 decades in the rack power distribution market. Today, we produce over 10,000 units per month, supplying to world-renowned customers that are leaders, global leaders in the data center market. Our technology and manufacturing excellence meets the most stringent global requirements, both from our customers as well as regulatory authorities. Now, with our facility in the prestigious KIDB Industrial Park in India, we can bring our technology and our reliability to new Indian customers with short lead times and optimal cost. I am personally very proud of what our CIS India team has been able to accomplish in a short period of time, and I'm confident that they will be able to fully delight our new Indian customers with great products.
CIS Global offers an extensive IPDU portfolio with over 150 SKUs available in India. For customers who require a custom-engineered IPDU solution, we are able to provide a new SKU using our expedited engineer-to-order process. Our engineer-to-order turnaround time of 4 to 6 weeks, which is far superior to any comparable global metric. This has been a highlight that makes us the pioneer in power distribution systems.
Our research and design team and related processes enable us to implement custom design requirements within 2 weeks and to complete engineering to order specific designs in 4 to 6 weeks. Our Agile development methodology to design, test, and deploy PDUs is one of the fastest in the world, and we do so with a future-proof mindset, incorporating next-gen enhancements along the way, maintaining a position of technological growth within an ever-changing industry.
Information technology has been a key driver in ensuring India is an IT powerhouse and the preferred destination for IT services. While stock exchanges and banks are setting up captive data centers, IT giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and Google see India as vital geography for their growth. By 2022, India's data center industry is projected to be a $1.5 billion industry.
The production facility at CIS India have a 10-stage assembly unit for their integrated PDUs with unit testing. Integrated testing ensures data integrity, intelligent load balancing, and physical safety of the systems. We use lean manufacturing to ensure quality, on time, and every time. Our PDUs regulate power distribution in all major data centers using cutting-edge technology with automated systems and processes. The plant layout and design is benchmarked to global standard with ESD-proof shop floor and proven methodology adopted for the hardware assembly line. Our meticulous zero-defect policy is practiced in every test we carry out. We subscribe to every standard that applies to our industry and ensure that these standards are strictly adhered to with global certifications.
CIS has proudly invested in India because of the tremendous local market growth with global technology. And our local customers benefit from CIS India with our fast lead times, local support, and seamless product delivery. All of this while getting global technology leadership. While the rest of the world is busy harnessing the power of data, at CIS Global, we take pride in delivering reliable power to the world.